Hi guys, today I want to do an unboxing of our Fill-A-Fly jewelry making kit number 3, Free Souls. In our kit, it comes with all the wires, beads, and basic instructions for you to be able to make the cross, butterfly, and guitar pieces. Another interesting thing about our kit is that in time, our wires will turn antique. So let's go ahead and open up and see what's inside. So the first couple of things you'll see once you open up our kits are our basic instructions that come with all the pieces. Another interesting thing about our instructions is that it comes with a QR code for you to be able to scan the video tutorial or the PDF file. The next couple of things you'll get is our wires, which are in 30 gauge sterling silver, 30 gauge pure copper, and 20 gauge rose silver. And the last thing that you'll get in our jewelry making box is our basic stones that you'll need for each pendant and earring. Now I'm going to show you what each pendant and earring should look like once it's done. Let's start off with our cross earrings. This is what it should look like once done. You can see that the wires are kind of turning antique now. Up next is our butterfly pendant. This is what the pendant should look like once done. You can see all our beads are included in our box. Last but not least is our guitar pendant. Wire is antique, as you can see. If you're interested in any of our kits or other products, be sure to check out our Amazon storefront or other platforms in the links below.